In this video, you will learn how to make avocado pineapple shrimp salad wrapped in rice paper roll. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified for future videos. Thank you. So let's get started. I de-shell and clean the shrimp. So before I put these guys on the grill, I'm just gonna salt and pepper it really good. Salt and pepper and a little bit of oil. Put them on the grill and get these guys to turn pink, and then we'll bring it in and chop it up and put it in our avocado salad. It's the grilled shrimp. Looks so pretty, huh? Chop the shrimp into bite-sized chunks. Do the same for avocado, pineapple, onion, cucumber, tomatoes, and the pickled daikon carrots. So what do?
Okay, scoop
The pesto into the bowl, and we're making a dressing, right?
Yep.
And how much oil? How much olive oil?
Maybe like half and half.
Half and half? Equal?
Yep.
Parts? So I had 2 spoonfuls of the paste, so now I'm just gonna put, I think that's 2, right?
Yeah.
What estimating? Do I need some salt and pepper in here? Should
You
I
might.
put some salt and pepper? And some lime juice? Extra lime?
Extra lime.
Extra lime juice. Let me go grab the salt and pepper. Salt and pepper, I'm using my hand. Hopefully that's okay with you. And then just mix it up like that. And now I have my dressing.
Yep.
So am I okay to... Clumsy. So just pour it over like this.
Yep.
On my dressing, on my salad. And we're gonna toss, right?
Yep.
Oh, look at this. This is a big bowl of salad, and there's just 2 of us. What are we gonna do?
Eat it.
Wow, delicious. Look at this. We got shrimp, we got avocado, we got pineapple, we got pickle, daikon, carrots, grilled onion, tomato. What else am I missing?
Looks like it.
Yeah. So,
Yummy.
okay, we're good. I'm gonna make you a salad. I already did all the prep work. You can watch that video later. But this salad have mixed green at the bottom, and then I'm gonna pile on top of it. This is avocado, pineapple, shrimp, all the goodness stuff. You can watch the video. And for the dressing, I'm using our neighbor pesto. I add in more oil because Brenda told me to, which is good because it was too thick. Right?
The pesto?
Yes. So that's your salad. The other option, what I'm gonna do is, for me, is that I like to eat a salad in a rice paper wrap, as you know. So I quickly dip that into the water, put it on the board, and I'm using the same spring mix, making that into a bed, and then pile up the fillings using the avocado, shrimpy, too much. Then I'm going to top that with a mint, because a rice paper roll with mint is very refreshing. So fold one end, fold the other end. Actually, I'm going to put more shrimp because that's how Vietnamese people like their rice paper wrap. We add shrimp. So I'm going to fold it. You know, I did it.
All Vietnamese people like shrimp.
Most Vietnamese. This one that you're talking to like shrimp. So this is my avocado shrimp. And then for the dressing, what I'm doing is the fish sauce. And then I add in the paste, the pesto paste. And then just mix that up real quick. And then let's see how this tastes. Very good.
Yeah.
Delicious. You would like it. I'm gonna make you a version of this and you let me know which
Okay.
version you like.
Okay.
So, thank you.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.